to grade 11s. So today we're starting on radian measure, and I'm working from this chapter in your book, chapter 21. Okay, so first of all, what is radiance? Radiance is just a measure of an angle, but it's a measure of an angle that it's a number. So we can actually manipulate that number. It's not a degree. So for example, 30 degrees is not a number. Okay, so it doesn't make sense saying like 30 degrees plus 5. Okay, we can't add them together. They are two different units. But a radian is a number. All right, so we can say, for example, 30 radians plus 5, and that will give us 35. Okay. Now, I went through in class how to show you this. I thought I would just show you another way of doing it. Probably you prefer it. So to convert degrees to radians, you just take the degrees, whatever it is, multiplied by pi over 180. To convert radians to degrees, you take whatever the radians is, and you multiply that by 180 over pi. Okay, so if we look at example 1a, so example 1a, we want to convert 30 degrees to radians. So what I'm going to do is we've got 30 degrees, so it's this one here, and I'm going to multiply it by pi over 180. And this you can just do on your calculator, and I'll just show you. So we can say 30 multiplied by pi over 180, and you will get pi by 6, or 1 over 6 pi. So I'm just going to say that this is pi by 6. Okay. If we look at example B, we want to convert 110 degrees to radians. So we take that 110 and we multiply it by pi over 180. Okay, so same thing. 110 multiplied by pi over 180, and we get 11 pi over 18. All right, which is equal to 11 pi over 18. Then example C, we want to convert 50 degrees to radians, so we multiply that by pi over 180. So this is now going to be 50 degrees. And we get 5 pi by 18. As easy as that, grade 11s. So the next example, example 2, is we're going to convert radians to degrees. So e.g. 2a, we want to convert 3 pi by 2 radians into degrees. So you remember over here, we take whatever our radians is, multiply that by 180 over pi. So multiplied by 180 over pi. And I can show you how we do that on the calculator. So we've got 3 pi over 2 multiplied by 180 over pi. And we get 270 degrees. Okay, example B. We want to convert 3.49 radians into degrees. So we're going to multiply this by 180 over pi. And all I have to do is just change this front number. We're going to change that to 3.49. And we get, if I round this off to 2 decimals, 199.96 degrees. Then example C, we want to convert 5 pi by 3 radians into degrees. So we multiply this by 180 over pi, and we get, so 5 pi over 3 multiplied by 180 over pi, and we get 300 degrees. All right, grade 11s, what I would like you to do for homework, it's on page 89. I want you to do number 1 and 2 for me, please. Thank you.